Hey, welcome to the channel. This is the first video here where we will be building real projects from scratch and taking them all the way to something that actually runs in production. As a starting project, we will build something relatively simple, a postcode directory based on the geonames data. Let's take a look what we are building. On the homepage, we have list of all countries grouped by the continents. Let's take a look at country page. On the country page, we have some basic information, list of states, and interactive map. The map finds nearest postcode to a given point. Okay, now let's go to a state page. On a state page, we list lower administrative division, the counties, and the rest of the page stays the same. On a county page, we list municipalities, and finally the postcodes. And that path depends on the geonames data. For example, this postcode have all 3 levels, but if a postcode does not have, it will appear on the upper admin level. For example, if you go to the Singapore, geonames data does not provide states or any other admin level for that page. So all postcodes, 121,000 postcodes, appear on that country page. In case of the United States, they have the states, but some of the postcodes do not have a state assigned, and they are listed here as well. And we also have custom error messages. Let's try a country that does not exist. And depending on the error, we have custom error message and this page with interactive map. Another feature is search. Let's search for a postcode that I prepared before. Here we list all the postcodes that contain that string. What we are interested in is the German one. Finally, this is the most important page of our app, the actual postcode page. And similarly to the location template, we have some details here. And then the location tree. And here is the interesting part. In this location tree, we have used actual tree structure and recursive function. We also have the map with all the points from geonames data. And we also have the population to estimate how many people postcode serves. At the very bottom we have nearby postcodes with search functionality. The project is fully open source. Link to the GitHub repository will be in the description. Let's take a look at the commit history. After every episode there is a separate commit, so you can easily look at the state of our projects after every episode. This series is for people that already know Python basics, but never built a real application. That's all for the introduction. If you are interested in the series, see you in episode 1.